Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore how to install the WSL tool. This tool is crucial as it gives you the ability to install a Linux system or a Linux distribution on your Windows operating system. So, if you are not familiar with Linux or its installation, or even you do not want to replace your Windows operating system, then the best idea is to use this tool, the WSL. So, how it starts? It is very easy. All you need to do is to click on Start and open your CMD or the command prompt, as you see, and then just write this instruction WSL dash dash install. It will show you the available distributions from different Linux systems like the Ubuntu, Debian, and so on. So this is the documentation as you see here, and this is how the instruction looks like. And all we need to do is to write this instruction this way. We need to write mine dash D. D refers to the distribution, and then put the distribution name. So let's see. I'm just showing the documentation to make you comfortable here, to make you deal with everything on your behalf. Okay, I don't want you to depend on the videos only. So I'm going to choose this distribution and write it here, but I didn't write dash D, and that's what we see because we have missed the dash D, one of the configuration before the distribution name, it didn't work. So this is how it looks like. We need to put dash D here in this part. Then it is going to install the Ubuntu, but this doesn't mean that we are okay. We might see some other issues, and we are going to handle any issue we will see. Okay, so as you see, it is failed. Look at the second instruction. It says the distribution failed with error, this error. So what do we do when we have such errors? All you need to do is to copy this error and go to Google and search for the error. But before that, I'm going to try another distribution to make sure that the problem is not within the chosen distribution. So I'm going to choose another one. Let's say the 20.04. And see, if we face the same issue, then we need to search about this issue and try to solve it ourselves. Okay, here it takes a few minutes, but I'm skipping. Okay, so we have the same problem. As we see, it is also failed with the same error. So I am going now to copy this error and go to Google and search for a solution to this problem. Okay, yeah, as you see, you might find many solutions. Just read and read and read. Here you see the first post is explaining the problem, and the second post or the second comment is a solution for the problem. So we are going to follow the steps of this solution to see if it is going to work or not. So let's see. Yeah, this is I'm just revising again the instruction, because in the solution they said we need to update. So I'm going to copy the update instruction and write it and see how it goes. Installing Windows subsystem for Linux. Windows subsystem for Linux refers to WSL. Okay. Now we updated the WSL system. Let's see what will happen if we reinstall the same distribution again. Okay, but we have a second step here to set the default version. We need the WSL2, the newest version. Okay, so now we are okay. Let's now install the distribution that we need. Okay, so it is going to be installed. It is already installed, so they are going to open the system, the distribution, the Linux system. Let's see. As you see, we have our Linux system, okay? So what we need to do is to create a username. So I'm going to write my name as a username, let's say Hamdi, and then enter, and then choose any password, retype your password, and then it is updated successfully, and now we are in. Just a few seconds, and let's see. Installation successful, good, thanks. Okay, now we have our Linux and it is open now, and you can use this command line here, this line here to write any comments on that is compatible with the Ubuntu 20.04. Okay. Now you have the Linux system, and the next step is to install the required tools for the GPU programming. And in the next video, I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you how to install the CUDA toolkit on Linux systems. So this is all for today, and see you in the next video.